Hey everyone, how you doing? You got Lyle here coming to you for an unboxing video. Figured I'd get a couple parcels in here today, including this one, and I figured I would open them up with you guys. There's labels with my address and everything on both sides, so I'm not going to show you. But there's the tool to open this up today. If I can do this without cutting myself. There we go. I know what this is. I remember. I'm pretty excited for this one. So, it should be pretty cool, at least for me. Hopefully for you guys. Decently packaged. Let's open it up here some more. Might be time to start to sharpen this knife again. There we go. All right. Well, it's a coffin. What's inside a coffin? Let's open this up and see. If you can see, if you guys can see on the coffin there, it says Wade and Butcher, Sheffield. Here we go. It's a Wade and Butcher, Sheffield, England frame back. Sorry. Very cool razor. I haven't seen a ton of these myself, so when it came up, I had to buy it. This would be pretty cool to add to my collection. I'm actually really looking forward to getting this cleaned up, honed up, and putting it to good use. So yeah, well, it's about a 7/8, I'd say, if I remember correctly. Very nice. I'll have to research the age of these things. I forget. Are they 1850s, 1860s, something like that? I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll have to look. So that's pretty cool to add. And there's a second parcel here. Got it. I'm going to open this one up again here for you guys. Oh, this one I'm also very excited for. I hope I took a risk here, and I hope this is as nice as I think it is. I know what this is again, because I just ordered this, bought it 2 days ago. It's very recent. All right, paper. Oh, there's item one. Another straight razor. Beautiful condition. If you can see that, it says 150 on the tang, extra hollow ground on the face, and feels really nice. Scales are tight. Pin is tight, I should say. It's really clean. Feels really nice in the hand. Could be a very interesting razor to have and use. All right, what else is in here? Oh wait, another straight razor. Again, this one says 110 on the tang, and it's extra hollow ground again. Again, very, very similar. Beautiful shape. Very tight pinning on this. Scales are a little bit warped on this one, but it fits very nice still. 7/8 again, I'd say. Minimum home wear on it too. So that's good. Feels really good. Just go look at the other one again real quick. That one has no home wear. That's even better. And what else we got in this one for you guys? Oh, look. a coffin. This one says, this is a C. Hellstrand. I think a CV. How do you say that again? I can't read it. Sweden. I'm tired. I'll put it up, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really exhausted. CV Hellstrand. I think that's how you say it. I can't remember. Sorry. But it's open it back up. Another one. That one needs a little adjustment. It does touch the wedge down here. So I'll be playing with that. It's a little loose in the pin causing that, but overall still a very, very nice looking blade. Pin, even though it's a little loose, come back forward, still tight, it holds. And it says extra hollow ground again, number 50 on the tang. I believe these are all 3 Swedish razors, Swedish steel. This one needs a little cleaning on the face, it looks like. A little bit of warpage on the scales, but overall great condition also. So 4 new straight razors. We're doing a me straight razors to add to the den today. Wow. That's it's a good way to end the day. Good way to end a rough day at work. So thanks for tuning in. Just want to show these to you guys. And hopefully you'll start seeing them in some shaves soon. Cheers to y'all. Take care. Bye.